Welcome to MQLrobot EAS. In this video, we're showcasing the structure of a simple but smart expert advisor. The PSAR step TPSL EA, built entirely with no coding using FXDreema. This EA is designed to open trades based on Parabolic SAR signals and manages each position using traditional take profit and stop loss levels, along with a dynamic break-even function. Let's walk through how it works. Entry conditions. The robot checks for existing trades before opening a new one. It uses two sets of PSAR conditions. A buy signal occurs when the PSAR is below the current price and has stepped higher. A sell signal happens when the PSAR is above the price and stepped lower. It only places one order per bar to avoid overtrading. Trade management. Once a trade is open, the EA will monitor the price and automatically adjust using a break-even point, defined by two key parameters. Break point, which is the minimum number of pips in profit before moving stop loss. Break point offset, a cushion level to lock in profits. You can also set custom values for lot size, take profit stop loss, maximum buy, sell orders SAR step, and maximum levels. All these are adjustable via input constants on the right panel. How to use it. This EA is best suited for trending markets, where PSAR works well. It is simple, lightweight, and easy to backtest. You can build and customize it entirely in FXDreema, with no MQL coding needed. Important notice. Before using this EA on a live account, make sure to fully understand the trading logic, perform a risk analysis, run a 99.9% Tick Data Backtest for accuracy. Always use proper risk management and forward testing. Want to try this EA or modify it yourself? You can find the full product and details here, MQLrobot.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MQLrobot EAS for more no-code trading bots and tutorials. Thanks for watching.